All right, you see that classic? My daddy has a truck like that. Some is similar. And it's for sale. And so what I'm gonna do is when I get on in Fort Valley, I'm gonna take a picture because we're gonna be selling everything. Friday and Saturday. So if you want a truck like that, come to 206 Peachtree Street, Fort Valley, Georgia. If you want a truck like that, it's not running, but it's a classic. It's just like that. It's just a little bit different in the front. So if you're interested, it's not running, and I'm thinking he's gonna let it go for about 2,000 or 1,500 really.